So speaking of AI and staying on the theme of AI, how does, in your view, the Maharashtra government, what plans are there to embrace the developments in AI? How do we drive growth and development in Maharashtra with AI? What are your plans?
So I think we have already started using AI a lot. So we entered into MOU with Google, and we have already started a Center of Excellence in AI with IIIT, which is one of the premier institutes of Government of India. And we are using now AI in our governance, especially in urban governance, in traffic management, because I think today traffic management is something which requires a lot of simulation, and AI allows us that simulation so that, we manage our traffic efficiently. We have already started using AI in service delivery, because one of the major businesses of government is to deliver services, and we actually deliver 500 services. So we are using AI. Recently, we have also entered a MOU with Meta, and Meta will be providing all these services through WhatsApp using AI. And again, law and order is something where now we have started using AI, and that has resulted, that has given fantastic results, because ultimately in law and order, you have to be ahead of the curve, because, the bad people are always techno savvy and they are very innovative. So you have to be ahead of the curve. And I think we were the first who started using AI in law enforcement. And there are wonderful results in law enforcement using AI. We could solve very critical cases in very short time because of AI. So we have already started using it. Now we are focusing more on agriculture. So we have taken out a mission of using AI in agriculture. And I think in few of the use cases, the results have been wonderful. I mean, just to tell you that few of the institutions actually used AI in sugarcane cultivation, and their yield became double. Because, all the things which they were using were optimized, and we got a lot of profits through that. And that inspired us. So in this budget, we have actually announced a AI mission for agriculture. And I think that will also change a lot many things. We are using now AI in water conservation, because I think the water issues are very important for sustainability. And AI is something which is actually giving us opportunity to use water more efficiently and to actually create the water structures more efficiently, so that, we conserve the water. So I think in every field of our governance, we are using AI. Just to tell you one thing, that, how AI is also helping us in efficient governance. Many times we have files which are, which have 700,000 pages. And when it comes to me, I have to read either those 1,000 pages, or I have to rely on somebody who says that everything is right and you sign the file. So now with the AI tool, in just few minutes or few seconds, it gives me the entire summary of that 1,000 pages in one single page. And I am able to take a very informed decision. So I think these are some things which are actually changing the governance, and we are very keen to, use AI. Now, in 2018, we entered into MOU with World Economic Forum, and we actually started a Center of Excellence with World Economic Forum, which is all about drones and AI. Its usage in agriculture, its usage in land use planning. So that is also going on well. So I think land use planning is also one thing where AI is working great. Yesterday, Kaustubh is here, and there was a presentation in front of Kaustubh, whereby, you see, if you ask any developer in Mumbai, what is your problem? He'll say that, a lot of time is taken for approvals. So I ask them that now we have improved it. They say, yeah, you have improved it. Earlier it used to take 1 year, now it takes 3 months. So 3 months is also too. But today, AI has created a tool whereby, approval can be given in minutes, just few minutes. If everything is right, it actually scans everything. It says that this entire plan is according to the development control rule, and this plan can be approved. Now, we want to develop such, instruments so that our efficiency is increased, and, it not just increases efficiency, it also increases accountability, it also increases transparency. So I think AI is something which is going to bring a lot of accountability, transparency, and efficiency, and we have already started that.